Okay, so good morning. Excuse my appearance. I did not. Good morning. Excuse my appearance. I did not shave. I just came in from running some morning errands locally around here. So today I want to talk about the new mobile websites instead of apps. Supposedly they're an alternative, a low-cost alternative to building your own apps, and and as I just said, they're low-cost alternative, and they're a lot quicker to develop. And you've probably seen them already. If you run a WordPress site or something, there's a plugin that makes your template mobile friendly, and it's basically that's the very idea of a mobile website, is that it's creating HTML5, which means that which has this added functionality of resizing your website's layout for different size screens, right? So an app, when you download an app to your phone, it integrates it with the phone's operating system. So it's almost like a piece of software, and the closest analogy to that is like an API. An app is sort of like a user-friendly, a user-facing API, right? That connects directly to maybe, if you're an e-commerce site, directly to your database information. Whereas a mobile website, a person would access through the browser on their phone, and there are there are several solutions to that. It doesn't have to be like the Chrome browser or Microsoft browser. You can create your own sort of custom browser. It's pared down. It's called an app shell, but basically for a mobile website. So look into, instead of building a full app, which is very expensive, look into making your website mobile friendly. And if you have a WordPress website, install one of those mobile friendly plugins. And so some few tips for a mobile website. Things like you might have seen this on Amazon and other websites where you take it for granted, where you don't have to be a registered member. You can check out as a guest, or you can check out using PayPal instead of having to enter your full information. Things like one-click checkout, as a guest, and then click PayPal, to speed the process along. It's good for mobile. And one last thing, for mobile, they suggest, because for a mobile website, they also suggest, because you're using the same website on your desktop as you would on your small screen, so like rearranging things so that for a mobile user, they might see pertinent information up top, like your phone number and things like that. Just little rearranging bits, because your website basically will stay the same, but it'll resize itself across different screens, and when it resizes itself, different information will be more pertinent, right? So instead of having that gigantic graphic on top of your website, you want your phone number or something up there instead. All right, that's today's COMMGiving, and apologize for my rough appearance.